What if we told you that Beech House is a one-stop solution to all your student housing issues in Oxford? Let's take a quick peek and find out. Nestled on London Road, Beech House is a remarkable student accommodation that is known for its charming studios and ensuite rooms featuring the comfiest beds with warm sheets, sleek study desks, spacious wardrobes, inviting living areas, and modern bathrooms. But Beech House is more than just living spaces. Step into the stunning common room with floor-to-ceiling windows. Enjoy a game of pool or foosball, sink into comfy sofas, and catch up on your favorite series on the TV. Step outside into the inviting courtyard, where you can relax with a good book and a steaming cup of hot chocolate. Convenience is key at Beech House, with Oxford Brookes University campus just a short walk away from the property. And when it's time to unwind or grab a bite, explore the vibrant London Road with its pubs and food joints like the Butcher's Arms, the White Hart, Craft Burgers, and Royal Standard. Need groceries? Tesco and Little Waitrose and Partners are a mere 2 minutes drive away. Embark on a journey of comfort, convenience, and unforgettable memories at Beech House, Oxford. Slide over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.